how to turn on or turn off suggest app in customize app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, scroll down and click on customization service. After click on customization service, you will see customize apps is open. If you want to turn on or turn off suggest app, you will see suggest apps is here. If you want to turn off suggest app, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see suggest app is turn off. If you want to turn on suggest app, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see suggest app is turn on. You will turn on or turn off suggest app from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off app suggestion in customize app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.